Choosing the right Kreg screw for your project is really very easy. First, you need to know where the project will be used, whether it's indoors or outdoors. For indoors, standard zinc-coated screws work great. Outdoors, you need more protection, and you can get that from Blue Coat corrosion-resistant screws. Or for the ultimate protection, you can choose stainless. Next, you need to know what kind of wood you're using. For softwoods like pine, and for sheet goods like plywood and MDF, you want a coarse thread screw. Those coarse threads will bite into these soft materials and give good holding power. For hardwoods like maple and oak, you want a fine thread screw. The less aggressive threads will hold in these dense woods without splitting. The last thing you need to know is how thick of material you're using, because that will dictate the screw length. You can find that information in your jig owner's manual, or you can use a tool like this screw selector wheel.